Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the extender and placing it near the router so signals are strong. This reduces setup errors. Next, log into the extender's admin page. Use the default Wi-Fi name or an Ethernet cable if wireless won't connect. Once logged in, locate the wireless settings. You need the current SSID and password to avoid disconnects. Make sure you have the new SSID and password chosen before saving changes, because the extender will reboot and reconnect using those credentials. You now change the network name and security on the correct band to 4 GHz or 5 GHz, so devices connect to the intended signal. In the wireless settings, enter your new SSID and pick WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption to protect traffic. Use a strong, memorable passphrase. Once you apply changes, the extender usually reboots. This is normal. After reboot, check that the extender is linked to your router's SSID as a client or in repeater mode, so it continues extending the right network. You finish by relocating the extender to its optimal spot, halfway between router and dead zone, and then test speed and coverage on several devices. Next, reconnect clients to the new SSID and confirm internet access. If you used manual IPs, update those settings. If something fails, first check firmware updates and channel interference. Then try a factory reset only if necessary, because that wipes settings. One key tip: if the extender won't link back to the router, reset and repair while observing LED status indicators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.